Okay, so yesterday y'all wrote equations from word problems. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually write word problems from equations. So the first problem we have is which problem situation matches the equation 74.80 is equal to 8x. So the way that you would approach this problem is you read through the answer choices and then you figure out which one is the correct equation. And the way I would do is I write an equation for each problem. So A says Karen got $8 per hour for babysitting. Find X, the amount she was paid for 8 hours of babysitting. So she makes $8 per hour. She worked for 8 hours. You do 8 times 8, 64. That's the answer. That's nowhere close to what the equation is. B, the cost of the video game is $74.80. Good. Find X, the amount Josh needs to buy the game if he had $8. So your total is $74.80 equals, okay, so we're good so far. We're going to do X plus 8. The reason why we're doing X plus 8 is because he needs to find out how much more money he needs to get. He already has $8, so you're going to take the $8 plus X, the amount he needs to get to be able to buy the $74.80 video game. So that's close, but not correct. Okay, 8 friends spent $74.80 each to pay for a camping trip. Find X, the total amount they paid. Well, if there's 8 friends and each of them paid $74.80, you multiply it together to give you X. That's not correct. Charlene got a paycheck for $74.80. Okay? For 8 hours of work. Find X, the amount she was paid per hour. So 8 hours of work times X for the cost per hour. Hey, that's correct. So you see how I wrote each equation out for each answer choice? That way you can figure out which one is correct. Okay, so now you do one. So pause the video and figure out which one is correct. Okay, so the situation, find the situation that matches the equation 7x equals 340. The area of the garage floor is 340 square feet. Okay, so that's our area. The width of the garage floor is 17. Find X, the width of the garage floor in feet. So how do you find the area of a rectangle? Is you do width times length. So in this case, the width is 17. In this case, the length is X. So if you do 17 times X, you should get 340. Well, look at there. That's correct. Well, let's just prove B, C, and D. B, Cameron collected 340 compact discs, each with an average price of $17. Find X, the total cost of the compact disc. Well, he has 340, I'm going to say CDs. Each CD costs $17. So he wants to find the total price. All you have to do is 340 times 17, and you get X. That's not close at all. Marcus drives 17 miles round trip to get to work each day. Marcus drove the office 340 times in the last 2 years. Find the total number of miles he drove. Well, this is the same scenario. He did it 340 times, and each time is 17 miles. So you multiply together, and that'll give you X. That's not correct. Last one. The volume of a swimming pool formed in the shape of a rectangular prism is 340 cubic meters. Find X, the depth of the pool, if the width of the pool is 17. Well, if you remember from last year, the way you find volume of a pool is you do length times width times height. Okay? Well, they only gave us the width of the pool, which is 17. They don't know the height or the length, so that one's wrong as well. So the answer will be A. Okay, example 2. An equation in one variable shown below. Which problem situation could represent the equation? 6 plus 0.50x equals 26. So again, we read through it. A carnival charges $6 a park plus 50 cents per ride ticket. Okay, well, so that's $6 plus 50 cents times X, because you don't know how many tickets. How many carnival rides can a person ride at the carnival? They spend a total of $26. So you add that up to get 26. Well, that's correct. So A is correct so far. Let's disprove B, C, D. B, a person downloaded an app for their phone that cost $6, plus songs that cost 50 cents each. How much did the person pay for the app and songs if they downloaded 26 songs? Well, this one's actually really close. So you do 6 plus 50 cents times 26 will give you X, because this 26 songs is not the money. Now, if it asked you how many songs did they download if they spent $26, then yes, that would be correct. But it's not. It's asking you how much money did they spend in total. So your total is the missing part, which is X. Okay, C. A dog walking service charges $6 for each hour. Okay. So that'd be 6X plus 50 cents per dog. How many hours could a dog be walked? So that's just one dog equals 26. Well, your variable's in the wrong spot. D. Sarah earned $6.50 an hour babysitting. Well, there's not even a $6.50. There's a 6 and a 50 cents being times by X. So that one's wrong. So the answer is D. The answer is A. Okay, last one. Pause the video and try it by yourself. Which situation is best represented by the following equation? 45W plus 123.95 is equal to 753.95. Okay, F. Eric paid $753.95 for dance classes. She paid a $123.95 registration fee. Okay, so that's one time. So that's good so far. So we have 123.95 plus $45 for each week. So that'd be 45W, and your total was that. So, hey, F's correct. A lot of you might think G was correct, but it's not, because it says Eric paid the same amount, but she paid a $45 registration fee. That's a one-time fee plus $123.95 for each week. That's your 123.95 times W. That's the reason why that one's wrong. Okay, so the answer is F. All right, guys, if you ever need more practice on this, there's a game on Quizzes that I can give you a code to. Just let me know. Thank you.